off stage because I believe that the most important things that happen in this life are not the things that are publicized, but the stuff that you do when no one's watching. So this is the new stage. Accordion is the new guitar. Killington is the New York City. I don't even know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, actually. I just say these things. Hey, there's a San Diego shirt. He went to your high school. Oh, that's awesome. What high school is that? Mount Carmel. Amazing. Nice. Sun Devils. Do you have anyone else that went to high school with Drew? Anyone? You did. Just put your hand up. No one's really gonna know. Yeah. Okay, so I heard a couple of people singing Hello Hurricane earlier. And Ike was reminding us of the fact that the hurricanes actually have a pretty devastating impact even up here in Vermont. And the storms of life, they come and go. You have no control over them, but you can sing into the storm. And that's what this song's about. A while back we decided we were going to break up with a record company and cut ties and start from scratch, build our own studio in San Diego and fall back in love with rock and roll and figure out why we wanted to play music. We came to the conclusion that we wanted to make songs of hope, and that's what we want to do with our lives. So thank you so much for singing along with us tonight. This is going to be awesome. Okay, here we go. It's going to be interesting and awesome. Let's do it, Drew.
I've been watching the
the band, they're pretty good, y'all. And by the band, I mean you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for being our band tonight, Vermont. One more big round of applause for Toby. Up way past my bedtime too, bro.